Well, hey everybody, welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020, and we just traveled to Syracuse going northbound here on Interstate 81. We got an empty trailer behind us. We're headed up to Fulton, New York to pick up a loaded one and take that over to Waterbury, Vermont for delivery tomorrow. Really do appreciate you guys joining me. Thanks for being here. Alright, so we got our trailer hooked up here. We're at Fulton and getting ready to leave out of here. We're going to head over to Central Square and get some fuel. I got to get $100 back from them. They overcharged me. Last time I got fuel there, the girl accidentally put the wrong numbers in the ComData computer, which we pay for all our fuel through ComData, and she accidentally put $332 instead of $232, so they got to give me a rebate. So just going to leave it on the card, and they're going to give me $100 back cash. So that works out. I need some cash anyway. Anyway, we're getting ready to roll out of here. Like I said, we got our trailer all hooked up. It is now 4:25, 63 degrees here in Fulton, New York. Alright guys, maybe I didn't explain myself that clearly before. Last time I got fuel here, I got overcharged $100. And the reason why that happened here, because their ComData system, which is the cards that we use to get fuel, is separate from the register. So they got to ring it up on the register and then bring the receipt over and transfer the numbers into the ComData computer. And she accidentally added $100 on. Well, it was I think it was like $223 and she put $323 or something like that. So rather than try to go back through ComData, which was giving them a hard time to try to take the $100 off, they decided to just go ahead and give me $100 cash back. So that's what we're going to do, and we'll finish getting our fuel here, and we'll get our money. Yeah, this is one of those pumps where you can only do one side at a time. I guess they get less spills that way, I guess. I don't know. Alright guys, we just stopped at Walmart. Had to pick up a few items for the truck. There's our booty over here. Look at this. Look what I got. Clorox disinfecting wipes. Holy mackerel. That was the last one on the shelf. And a bottle of rubbing alcohol. I seen it, I had to buy it. Alright, so we got to get our groceries put away and keep on heading up towards Waterbury. Probably be staying in that rest area outside of Williston, Vermont tonight is where we're going to be. And take our 10 and then go over and deliver tomorrow. Good morning guys, it is Tuesday, May 19th, 2020, and I ended up stopping in St. Albans last night at the little Jolly truck stop here instead of going to the rest area in Williston, and got up this morning and just went on a almost 3-mile walk and getting ready to start a day here. We got about 10 minutes left on our break, and then we're gonna head on down to Waterbury and make our drop and hook. Yeah, morning guys. We are in Potsdam this morning. It is Saturday morning, May 23rd. Got one more load to deliver into Waterbury. And we ought to be over there by about 11:30 a.m. We'll be on our way home. We should be home by 5 today. And then we got a long weekend, Memorial Day weekend.